We would now like to welcome on stage Miss Pratigya Dhungana. Miss Dhungana is a determined individual with a clear career goal in mind. She aspires to become a well-respected ACCA professional and make a significant impact in the field of auditing and finance. Her academic record serves as an evidence of her commitment to a career development with a ranking of 3rd in Nepal for Auditing and Assurance and outstanding results in other subjects. In addition to her academic accomplishments, Miss Dhungana has also established herself in the professional world. She has gained valuable experience through her work as an audit associate and internal auditor in a variety of audit firms and corporate environment. Her contributions have left a lasting impression on each organization that she has worked for, solidifying her reputation as a dedicated and talented professional. Many congratulations to the graduating Miss Pratigya Dhungana, and we'd like to welcome her on stage.